Welcome to Flippin' Rejects with me, Shane Luthi. This week, I'm making a wooden wall art piece that my wife's been asking for several months now. It'll hang up in our bedroom over our dresser. Maybe I'll get around to shaving too. Let's get started. So I started out by setting up a 2-inch stop block so I could cut these 4x4 posts down. And here I'm just cutting it at a 15-degree angle. All in all, I cut out 84 pieces. With that many pieces, sanding is going to take a long time. While I'm sanding these, now would be a good time to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Here I'm just cutting the backer board that these will be placed on. It's about 24 inches by 42 inches. Now to just lay out the pattern and figure out what colors I want to use. Laying them out in a random pattern like this, I took a picture with my phone. That way, if I had to move this and they fell for some reason, I could put them back in the same spot. I decided to laser etch out a template. That way, before I stain these blocks, I could go through and stain this piece of wood. That way, if I screwed anything up, it would just be on this piece. This turned out to be a good idea, because once I stained this, I realized I didn't need the brown on the right side. It would have looked terrible. So I just used 4 colors. The staining part of this project took almost as long as the sanding part, but I think it turned out pretty well. Now all I have to do is secure these blocks to the board and mount it to our wall. Here I'm just using a heavy-duty construction adhesive to glue these blocks to this backer board. And after a 24-hour cure, they stuck really well. Now I left certain blocks out of certain areas so I could screw directly through the backer board into our wall studs on our wall. This thing is pretty heavy and it's actually holding up really well. Hope you like this video. Leave a comment, let me know what you think. Alright, yeah, some blues, Oh, hey, just looking at this art piece you guys just watched me build. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button. If you really like it, hit that bell and you get a notification. And every time I get another item and flip it into something awesome, you'll be able to watch it. So y'all have a great day. Go out and make something awesome. I'm just going to sit here. Oh, man. I told you guys at the beginning of this video I was going to shave. Crap.
Like 20 years younger. Good shave.